Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to compile Java source code into a native standalone binary on Windows using GraalVM. GraalVM is a new kind of Java compiler with much more fine-grained features focusing on performance. One of the most exciting features of GraalVM is a native image. The native image is actually turns your Java source code into a native executable once by leveraging the native toolkit. In this case, because I'm on Windows, it will need the Microsoft Visual C++ compiler. And for demonstration purpose, I'm gonna using the pdftk Java source code. pdftk is actually a PDF utility that was developed years ago, and unfortunately the development kind of dead or no longer continued. But thanks the guys who rewritten the implementation in Java, and the reason I'm gonna use this source code is because they have not released the Windows version of pdftk Java, so I'm gonna create one by leveraging the GraalVM native image. So you got to install GraalVM either from the official distribution, but in my case I already installed the GraalVM that is developed by Gluon HQ. You can use whatever you want. I'm using the Gluon HQ version, and you must already clone the pdftk Java into your disk. Now you got to open the MSVC command prompt. I'm using the x64, so the application should be in 64-bit. Now let me switch to the pdftk repository. And let me say switch the Java version into the Java version of the GraalVM. Well, GraalVM is my custom bat file that I create to switch between the Java version on my computer. If you want to see the bat file, it looks like this. I'm gonna share you into the video description later on. Now, when the now it uses the Java that is shipped with the GraalVM and not the regular Java GDK. So to compile that, let's only set the Gradle tasks. And to build this project into native executable, what we need is running the Gradle task native image task. Hit enter, but I actually already built this project successfully. But if you want to try, you just need to run the Gradle native image task provided with this project. It could take some time regarding on your hardware resource, and because building using the GraalVM into native binary is required some higher hardware resource, but that's fine. I already successfully compiled this into another executable, and the file is at this build native image, and there you get the pdftk.executable. So the cd2 build native image, and let's say pdftk. That's it.